Yes, no? Ang pag mga ganito namang NACOA findings, hindi naman yan ibig sabihin na meron nang corruption doon. Ito are procedural in nature. So kung kailangan i-correct, itong sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas, of course, we take this as like somewhat like a constructive criticism of sorts. And kailangan ayusin natin yung sistema, hindi ibig sabihin na may katiwalian, no? But kung meron man kailangang i-align para maging tama yung proseso, gagawin yun ng sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas. So we have taken decisive steps to regularize and close these accounts cited in the audit. So ang nabanggit dito, yung AFP Medical Center has closed itong mga accounts for the PCSO Endowment Fund. Yung ating Presidential Security Command has also completed the closure of its 2 accounts. And the Eastern Mindanao Command has undertaken corrective actions to ensure full compliance with government financial policies. So, ito, yung mga reports na to did not establish any loss, misuse, or diversion of funds. Yung accounts that were cited were for the welfare and medical related, and all the funds were used for their intended purposes.